What's good? It's your boy Dre, also known as Mr. Po Folk Everything. And today, I'm back with another one. We got a few parts in for the Monte Carlo. So today, we're going to be installing the Intellitronix digital dash. Yep, you heard me right. We're going to be installing the Intellitronix digital dash inside of the Monte Carlo SS. So here we have a couple of parts. This right here is some T-tap wire connectors. The reason I'm going with these is so that I can just tap into the wires that go into the existing cluster. Just tap into the factory wire so that I don't have to cut them. Because if I don't like the dash, I will be able to just take it out and put the factory dash back in. If I cut the wires, then I got to go into splicing and all that. So a quick and easy way just to tap into the existing wires would be to use some of these T-tap wire connectors. All right, now here we go. I got me some wire, just some regular wire in case I got to you know, extend the wire. Right here in this bag, let me see. Uh, got a couple parts to go with the digital dash. Let me see if I can get this open. Okay, so right here looks like to be some nuts and bolts to be able to set the actual digital dash inside of your cluster. You have a temperature sensor in the connector. We won't be using that because we are using the F body uh, temperature sensor. So I'm gonna see if I can use that with this dash. Um this I want to say is a oil sending unit. They say that you have to use this. So we're going to be using it. Yeah, that's what it is. The oil sending unit. We're going to be using that. And here is the fitting to be able to go into the block. And then you screw the sensor into this. What else we have? Looks like just a couple foot of ground wire. And we have a transmission speedo cable in the wire. So if you have an old traditional 350, 400, 200, 700 R4 that actually has the speedo cable, you would screw this into the transmission, and then you would take the pigtail, connect it onto here, and then you would wire this part into the dash. We're not going to be using that because we are actually using a 4L80 transmission, so we should not need that. All right, now to the goodies. Here we have it right here. The Intellitronix digital dash. Looks like it's straightforward. We're gonna be, installing it. Um, Looks like all you gotta do is hook up a couple wires and that be it. Let's get to it.